Hi guys, we just got to the train station. We are at Santa Maria Novella train station and we're waiting for our train to Rome. So next stop, Rome. See you there. Hi guys, welcome back. It's Janet here. So we made it to Rome. I'm so excited. I love the city. I've been here before and so happy to be back here. Today we're actually staying in, for the next couple of days actually, we're going to be staying at Hotel Indigo. It's part of the IHG conglomerate. And we're staying in Hotel Indigo St. George on Via Giulia. Just in case you guys do like the place, I'll put a link down below and you can go in and check it out. Maybe on your next visit to Rome, this is something that you're interested in, you'd like to come stay here. Okay, let's see the room. Okay, so as you come in the front door, we have a closet right here. Forgive me. Okay, so we have a closet right here. Hi guys. And in the closet you have ample hanging space. You've even got an iron here and a mini bar. Let's check out this mini bar real quick. It gets fully restocked every day and they said it was complimentary. So again, fully complimentary. You can help yourself to whatever you like in here. These are the absolute best, by the way. The yoga. And if you really like orange and carrot juice, try Ace. That's the flavor. Okay, so we've also got a laptop, not a laptop. We've also got a safe, and I would say that this safe probably can hold at least a 15, maybe a 16-inch laptop too. So if you guys are traveling with that, but it's definitely big enough for money cash, small iPad. You've got some glasses, ice bucket, and again, more complimentary nuts. Okay, so full-length mirror there. Let's move into the rest of the room. So as you come in, you've got a little table on your left, a chair. This is a king-size suite. You've got your coffee and tea set up as well over here, which is absolutely great. You just feel like having that in the morning without going down. Your setup is there. And your kettle. Okay, the room is really nicely appointed. If you've ever stayed in a Hotel Indigo before, it's got that same type of theming with the cars and the greens and all of the car themes. I actually really love it. Okay, so right over here is the window. And I just have to see this view. All right, it's locked. Here we go, taking this out. Open, here's a view of our room. This hotel also comes with a restaurant on site on the first floor, as well as a bar upstairs on the rooftop. And that's open every day from noon till midnight. Okay, so let's close. And you've got a little seat by the window there, kind of cute. Let's go into the bathroom, restroom. Okay, so we're in here. Hi again, guys. So you've got your full sunken bathtub, which is really deep, great for relaxing. You've got all of your soaps, hand and body wash, shampoo and conditioner as well. And the great shower head up there as well. Towel racks. And then over here at the sink, really big basin. Cute knobs. Again, more hand wash and hand lotion, hand and body lotion. You've got one of these great makeup mirrors that I love and adore so much. And again, more theming with the whole car motif, which is all around the hotel. You have your bidet and your toilet. So you've got yourself a standard bathroom setup here. So that is it. for the room tour. Oh, besides that, you've got about a, I want to say 55-inch screen TV up here. But yeah, that's it for the room tour today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys are thinking about coming to Rome, you know, definitely check out the Hotel Indigo, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for my next trip. But stay tuned for the next episode, because again, remember, I am on a trip of a lifetime. So after Rome, we're heading to another city, and another city after that, and another one after that. But stay tuned for the next episode. Turn on that notification bell. Make sure you're getting all of the notifications when a new video comes out. Bye for now.